Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. So NYX is just a professional makeup brand. It's not really super high-end. You can get it anywhere like at Target, Amazon. I think you could even get it at Walmart now. It wasn't at Walmart for a while, but I think you can get it there now. Walgreens, you can get it anywhere. But it is a professional makeup brand and I really like this brand. They have a ton of products and I absolutely love their Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. I have it in the color Vintage, which is number 12, and they have a ton of shades. They have a lot of different lipsticks, a few different lipsticks as well, but this is one of my favorites, and this is kind of like a plum color. Plum, I would say it's somewhere between like plum and brown. I'll do a swatch of it in a moment. The bottle is a 0.13 fluid ounce tube, so you can travel with this. It'll get you through TSA without a problem. It's pretty small, maybe like a standard. I can like compare it to like a coffee mug here just so you can see. So it's a little taller than like a standard coffee mug. And so yeah, it's just overall just a great lipstick. It is a twist cap, so I can go ahead and open that up and show you the wand. It is a flat wand, which I usually don't prefer. It has a little bit of an angle to it, like the entire applicator itself goes straight and then the applicator itself goes up at a tiny angle, but it is flat. I usually like applicators where the applicator goes up in a tiny flat angle, like right at the top here. This one doesn't do that, but it's still pretty good. I wish it did have that because I think I could get an even more precise application, but I mean, it still works really well, and if it was that important to me, I could always buy separate applicators and use it like makeup artists do too. So I'll go ahead and do a swatch. Oh, it has like a really cute like jewel texture at the top. It's just like, sometimes like it's just in the details. It takes like those little details. It's like this company really puts so much thought into every little thing about their product, which is really nice. I like buying from companies that are like that. So I'll go ahead and do a swatch so you can see, check out the pigmentation on it. Oh, I forgot I did a swatch of eyeliner earlier, so that's what that is. Like, that is an insane color. It is so, the pigment is crazy. When you apply this, you don't want to rub your lips together. You have to wait for it to dry. It doesn't take too long to dry. It's definitely faster than some other liquid lipsticks that I've used. I wish it dried like a little bit faster because you can't rub your lips together. Like, if you rub your lips together, you will completely mess it up. Usually I only do one layer. There have been times when I've done a couple of layers just to make it a little bit darker, but like that pigmentation is insane. But you can see a little bit in the middle, a little bit of fading right in the middle. The color is not as bold as it is on the edges, so that's one other thing you have to be careful of when you're using it, is like the middle of your lips. You probably will have to go over it more than once if you're not doing it super precisely on your first layer. So yeah, the application of this lipstick, I would say, is kind of difficult. You have to be really careful not to rub your lips together, not to even touch your lips because of the wand. If you have really small lips, it's going to make it even more difficult. But if you have bigger lips, then it'll probably be easier. And sometimes it's really difficult for me to get like my Cupid's bow on my top lip to get that super accurate, and it ends up being just round rather than conforming to the little triangle, the little point on my Cupid's bow. So let's see if it dried now. It's not dry. So yeah, that's like the one thing that I wish this would dry faster, because if I had put this on, I still would not be able to talk or rub my lips together or do anything. I'd have to be waiting. It's almost like when you put nail polish on and you have to wait for it to dry. It's the same concept with this lipstick. But once you do apply it, and once it does dry, it looks really, really nice, and the color lasts a while. I don't use this shade necessarily for like work, but I do have some other ones, some other shades in this Liquid Suede collection, some more like neutral ones, and I'll use that for work, and usually it can make it through the whole work day without having to like touch it up or reapply. Even after eating, sometimes like along my waterline it'll fade a little bit, but nothing like too crazy. I use this color usually when I go out, and I do get a lot of compliments on this color. I actually bought it because I saw someone else using it, this specific color, and I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. That's why I had to go out and buy this color for myself. Let's see if it's dry. It's still not dry. It's getting there, but like as you can see, if it takes more than like 30 seconds to dry, then it's just kind of crazy, and it kind of make sure you're not like having to talk to anyone, and make sure you remember that you put this on so that you don't rub your lips together. But so as far as that goes, it's kind of annoying, but as far as the color and how long it lasts like throughout the day and even through eating, I would definitely recommend this lipstick. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.